Today we are going to study the 44 speech sounds. English is a universal language. There are 44 speech sounds in English, of which 20 are vowels, 24 are consonants. Of these 20 vowels, 12 are pure vowels or monophthongs, whereas 8 are diphthongs. Now we will study each in detail. As I have told you, there are 44 speech sounds, of which 20 are vowels and 24 are consonants. Of this 20 vowel, 12 are monophthongs or pure vowels, and 8 are diphthongs or vowel glides. Mono means one, so these vowels exist alone. Diphthongs, di means two, so it is a combination of, it is a glide from one vowel to the other. Let us see monophthongs in detail first of all. So there are 12 in number. The first one that we will study is E, as we see in flee, furl, E, as we see in bead, b, e, d. Next one is E. E as we see in bit, b, e, t. Fill, f, e, l. So you have to see that there are two letters L, but there is only one sound L. Third one is as we see in bed, b, d. As we see in egg, g. See, there are two G, but there is only one sound g. Fourth one is a. This sound is known as ash. This symbol is known as ash symbol. Okay, just like the a that is there in ash, a sound. So as we see in bad, b, a, d. Almost all the words that are like three letters like this with an a in between have got this sound. Hat, cat, cat. So though this is C, the sound is k. Okay. Now the fifth one is a, long vowel a as in pass, p, a, s. Though it is two letters, only one sound, s. Bard. This is not barred, this R is silent, so it is barred. Okay. Now the sixth one is O, as in sorry. S, O, R, E, sorry. What. This is not what, this is what. V, O, T. Now next one is O, as we have in low, L, O. Post, P, O, S, T. Eighth one is U, as we have in push, P, U, sh. This is a consonant sound, we will study it later. Full, F, U, L. Next we have Oo, as we have in fool, F, U, L. Like Hindi, how you write ya, it is like that. rude. R-U-D. 10th one is as we see in cut. K-A-Ch. This is known as cut symbol. Why it is like cut? It's not cutter, no, like there is like a slash between the two. Cut. Okay. Now next, flood. F-L-E-D. Even in the case of love, it is this L-E-V. 11th one is like 3 and 2 dots, as we have in heard. H-E-D. Bird. B-E-D. 12th one as we have in as we have in above. Above. Agree. Agree. Okay, so we have studied all the 12 monophthongs. Next we shall study the diphthongs. Diphthongs are 8 in number. As I told you, it is die. There is a glide from one vowel to the another. So first of all, let us write all the 8 diphthongs. It's very easy to study. First one, it is I. Next one, it is A. Next one, it is Oi. I, A, Oi. Next one, Ear. Air. Ur. Ew. Ow. Okay, let us study with example. I as in ply. P-L-I as in eye. Okay, A as in play. P-L-A. Say. S-A. Oi as in boy. B-Oi. Oil. Now this is not oil, this is oil. This is one of the mother tongues that mostly people from Kerala makes, like people Malayalis we make. Now next is ear as in ear. Ear as in deer. Deer. Air as in air. Hair. Poor as in poor. It is not poor. It is poor. Poor. It is not tour. It is tour. Okay. Now, oh, this is not go. This is go. This is not old. This is old. Ow as in cow. Cow. See, though the letter is C, the sound is K. Found. Found. Okay, so we have studied all the 8 diphthongs. Next we will study the 24 consonants. Next we will study the consonants. There are 24 consonants in it. Consonants are easier than vowels because vowels, all the sounds are new and it is quite unique. Whereas in the consonants, most of the sounds we already know. P as in pitch. P, E, Ch. B as in bitch. B, E, Ch. Ch as in tip. T, E, P. D. D as in door. It is not door, it is door. R is silent. K as in catch. K, A, Ch. G as in go, as we have studied in the diphthongs. Next, seventh one is ch. Now this is one difficult one. For ch you have to put a t and the sh sound. Sh sound you will study later, as we have in chime. Ch I m, chime. As we have in chain. Ch a n. Okay. Eighth we have j, like D like this, and one Z kind, as we have in jam. So for j, this is this sound, j sound. Jam. Now next is jail. Jail. Okay. Next we are going to study three nasal sounds. M as in man. M and n. N as in nest. N s t. Now 11th one is ng, as we have in sing. S I ng, sang. S ang, sung, as we have in s ng. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Today we are going to study the 44 speech sounds. English is a universal language. There are 44 speech sounds in English, of which 20 are vowels, 24 are consonants. Of these 20 vowels, 12 are pure vowels or monophthongs, whereas 8 are diphthongs. Now we will study each in detail. Next we are going to study the, which is similar to theta symbol that we study in maths and all. Tin. The, I, n. Thirst. The, s, ch. Thirst. Next we have the, as in leather. L, the, leather. That. S as in sin. S I n. Z as in zip. Z I p. And next is sh. Sh as in ship. Sh I p. As in shine. Sh I n. The 19th one is most difficult one, which is r. R, that is sh and r together, as in leisure. This is not leisure, this is leisure. Measure. Okay. Pleasure. Now next is her, as in hat. Her at. L as in line. L in. R as in rat. R at. Now this is very important. When you say the sound, don't get confused to j. J is what we studied here. This one. This is j. Jam. Now this is y, as we have in yes. Yes. As we have in yellow. Yellow. Okay, and the last sound that we study is w. that is win, west, etc. Okay, so we completed 24 consonants. So the monophthongs, the 12 monophthongs are pronounced like this: e, a, o, u, e. And the diphthongs are pronounced like this: I, a, oi, ear, air, ua, ou, ow. Consonants: p, b, t, d, k, g, ch, j, m, n, ng, f, v, t, d, s, s, sh, ž, h, l, r, y, v. I think we haven't written f and v. We shall see that as well. 12th one is f, as we see in fan, f, a, n. 13th one is v, van, v, a, n. Okay, so we have completed all the 24 consonants. One major differentiation you have to understand is when you study the sounds v and w. Both you may feel both sound same, but w is pronounced like this, wo, and v is spread, van, it is spread, wo, window, west, etc. Okay, so another sounds which you can get confused is j and y, because j, the letter j, it is sounded like j. Okay, and when it is a phonetic symbol, when in slashes when you write j as a phonetic symbol, it represents the sound y. Okay, so don't get confused with this. I hope you understood all these sounds. Thank you.